some tips or, advices that you would like to give to the people who are just starting, or they are already in their stages of, they have already had a product, a plugin, or a theme? And what are some suggestions that you would like to give?
I always say, to break through the wall, there's always a moment. I'm a runner. So like there's a thing called like the runner's wall, which in the course of a marathon is usually like 17 or 18 miles in, where you just want to give up. You want to throw in the towel. You're just done. You feel like you can't go anymore. You're mentally not capable of moving forward. And then like you kind of work through it, and then you come out of it. And then you're like, gosh, thank God I didn't quit. I've had several moments of that where I was unsure of like the path I was on. I was not sure if this is something that people would like and all of that. And usually the people who have success stories have some element of I broke through the wall. I was going to throw in the towel. I was going to quit. I decided not to. I kept going and all that kind of stuff. Like that's always the first thing I encourage people to do, is just to keep going. I know it's easy to say and sometimes hard to do. But it's true. Like, most people just don't, achieve success just like overnight and just by way of luck. So there's that. And be curious, stay curious. Christopher Columbus discovered America because he was curious. What's over there?
Right.
Like, I think often we see there's the hockey analogy. A good hockey player skates to where the puck is. A great one skates to where the puck is going to be. Well, so in that context, not only do you have to be curious, you have to have like a general understanding of what you're doing and how the hockey game works. Like I have a feeling, I have a sense, I have knowledge that the puck is going to be over there. So I'm going to take a chance. I'm going to, whatever. And so like in terms of the business world, the same thing holds true, where being curious can sometimes get you into trouble, but being curious paired with fundamental knowledge of an industry or a market really can put you in a good spot. And so that's sort of what I try to do. I like to challenge myself. I like to try new things and sort of experiment and explore, like it's really in my DNA. And so to do that too, just to stay curious and to have fun with things.
Great. I think that is an amazing advice.